Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to embed audio from Google Drive into Google Docs. This simple process will allow you to incorporate audio files directly into your documents, which can be extremely useful. Open Google Drive. Locate the specific audio file that you wish to embed in your Google Doc. Right-click on the audio file, click on the Share option, ensure that your file is set to Anyone with the link can view to ensure that anyone with access can play the audio without issues. Now, copy the link. Open the document and decide at which point in the document you want the audio to be linked. Once you've chosen the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink, look for the link icon in the toolbar at the top. It will open up a small dialog box where you can paste the copied link. Paste your audio link. Click the Apply button. This action converts your highlighted text into a clickable link that points directly to your Google Drive audio file. Now, whenever someone clicks that link, they will be able to access and play the audio you've embedded. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips.